you know what? My friend pressed record and didn't even tell me he was pressing record, so that's why I'm just like sitting here posing looking at y'all. But hey everybody, I'm Ebony, owner and operator of SkirtsSewPretty. So today I decided I wanted to do a little thrifting. I got through my death pile. Well, I got a good ways through my death pile. A lot of you guys follow me on Instagram. Hey, my Instagram followers, and y'all can see for the last 2 weeks, I have been bombarded with all of these Jomar bags and stuff that I needed to list. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna reward myself and I'm gonna go buy some more stuff I don't need. So I decided to try a new thrift store today. So today we are in the, I guess this is the northeast section of Philadelphia at the Second Half Thrift Store. So I like to, like I said, I like to go to other places, other areas. You never know what you can find. So I just wanted to have a walkthrough. This is my first time in this store. Let's see what they got going on. Now, to be honest, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I need stuff to jump out at. I don't know. I'm just trying to find some stuff for you guys, but let's go. Pocketbooks. Actually, yeah, excuse me. Let's walk through. And the reason why I keep saying I don't know is, again, we are resellers. The point of being a reseller is to get your items for as low as possible so you can flip it for as high as possible. So for me, for my budget, I know that when I come into a store, I'm looking for certain designers, certain brands, and certain conditions for a certain amount of price. And the reason why I keep saying I don't know is because as I walk past these racks, come closer. Hey, come closer. As I'm looking through these racks, I'm seeing all of these brands I never heard of for prices that are just not doing it for me. Like $14.99. These not designer though. This is I'm cleaning out my closet brands. Like Attitudes. Who are you? This is like, so I could find this at Ross and they want $12.99, and it's just like, no, I would buy this for $12.99 off of Poshmark. So I wouldn't get a good return on investment. And that's why I walked in and I just kept saying, I don't know. But then again, you never know what you will find at a thrift store. So I wanted to walk to the bags real quick. Let's look at the bags. Let's look at the sneakers. Because if anything else, I can get good finds with the watches. I get good finds with sunglasses, bags. If I walk in and I see that I'm not really happy with the clothes, I normally can find something with bags and shoes. So I'm not going to give up just yet. But can we do just a quick scan of what the room? We got houseware, bathing. I mean, it's humongous. And I love how bright it is, how organized it is. Because sometimes when you go to some of these thrift stores, you want to have one of your warrior outfits because you're about to go to war. Because you tell Lord, if y'all been to them bins, oh my gosh, like the bins, you need gloves, you need masks, and you need them elbows to throw them bowls, because people be wanting to fight in that room.
I cannot.
$14.99 again, not my Steves. What year is this? 2005? Like, okay, like they tripping. These shoes is from 2005. They cute though, like, but you could tell they're old and falling apart and just not worth it. And definitely not worth it for $14.99. So that's a no for me, dog. tripping. They tripping. $25 for these New Balances are cute though. And they would all the way fit me. But $25 for some used New Balances, just, no. I'm trying to find something, because I know I just gave y'all a video of how Jomar had a 70% off store, a 70% off sale, and how I just went in there and racked up on all of my designers for $3 or $4 and $5. And you know what? I blame this shit on Jomar. It is Jomar's fault, because they spoil me, giving me all these darn good prices. I can't even come to a proper thrift store. No, is this really proper thrift store prices? Because these prices is, who are you? Who is Everrun? I've never heard of Everrun. Has anyone, they somebody good? Because they $14.99 and it's just, I've never, no.
Track shoes, running shoes.
Thank you, cameraman. Everyone's going to hear the voice of my cameraman and know who my cameraman is. These berries is cute. I have to ask somebody a question. Who are those? Johnson and Murphy, $32.99 though. Like, what's the reflip on it? Like, if I spend $32.99 on these shoes and I sell them for $50, that's not even a $15 profit. Or,
yeah, restoration.
Yeah, I am learning how to. It is about restoring. That price I have to. I mean that brand I have to look up. You know, I'm just stepping into the men's market. I'm still learning what the men like to wear, how they like to wear it, what their brands is. Like, the men's market gets money though. Y'all ain't tell me how dope the men's market is, honey. I love the men's market because with the men's market, they barely want you to take measurements. They don't want you to take 1,000,000,005 pictures. Men just straight go for it, go in it, and they just buy what they want. And that's what I love about selling to men. So if there are any men postures out there and you're looking for a closet, smart ass. If you're any men postures out there and you're looking for a closet, stop by my closet. Thank you.
This was close.
Ooh, it's a Coach bag. How much they want?
Bad.
$24.99. Who is this? Huh? You're teaching me.
Pretty good condition.
You know what I say? How you can tell, sir, cameraman. This is a great way to tell.
Cameraman's a posher as well.
What you say?
Huh?
The cameraman who's a posture as well. Everyone go follow Line Ray Collection. Shout out to the Line Ray. We will tag him on this YouTube post. Okay, so shoes. When I go into a thrift store and I want to get something that I know is going to be good, and how I can tell what are really, really great, worth it shoes versus cheap shoes is the soles. If you see a sole that is truly durable, hard, you can't bend it, that's a good sole. That is a sole that they truly took time to make it. And that means it's worth more money. Versus a shoe like this where it's bendable, this shoe's not gonna last long, and that's why this is a cheap shoe and this is actually a designer shoe. And I found some Coach bags. I'm not really a fan. To be honest, I'm not even going to really buy anything from here today. Like, these prices is just driving me crazy. I'm going to stop and see when their sales are, and I'll try to come back on a sale day and do another video to show you guys I bought something great. But I don't know, because this Coach bag that has all of the stuff coming apart, they want $25 for. I'm good. So listen, I have a Posh and Sip this weekend at Jomar South Philly store, where we will be doing listing demos, we will be doing giveaways, we will have treats given to us by, made for us by Sweet Chic Boutique. Jomar will be the sponsor, and they will have some really dope discounts. We will have some gift cards to give away. We're doing a giveaway every hour on the hour. can't wait to see you guys. Go to Eventbrite. Follow me on Skirts. Follow me on Instagram, SkirtsSewPretty.